Hey guys, Scrapey K Sue here. I want to show you some laces that I got. This is a haul from, she's called Narita's Treasures. I know a lot of you probably know her, but I bought some laces from her and they're so gorgeous laces. Now I don't get like the appliques like for on wedding things, big giant things, you know, stuff like that. I don't do those kind, but I do get the like little ones. So this one, I got like 3 packs of these. They come in a pack of 4. I guess I could get it out. And she's either she put some in here or the people she gets some from put some in here, and I can't open it. Oh my gosh, I can't open it, and I don't want to. I guess I'm gonna have to if I'm ever gonna get them out. Okay, here we go. This is the little applique. Isn't it cute? Flower with the little leaves. Okay. And they're really cheap. The laces that I got were anyway. There were some that were more, but these were like 75 cents a yard or $1 a yard, or like these I think were like $1 a pack. Yeah. And then I think these, aren't these gorgeous? Let me see if I can get in the camera. I got my camera up in a different angle just for this. These I think were $1 for these 2 things. Aren't they pretty? Sorry if you can't. I'm not used to this angle. I got those. And then the laces. This is a like a cream type lace. Isn't it pretty? Oops, sorry. And you can like thread some ribbon in there. Maybe like a, well, since this is a cream, probably a like a brown or something. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now here's one of the things. Like, probably some people would cut these off and, you know, use them a piece at a time. Or they may use, like, you know, the whole ribbon thing. I don't know, but oh, it's so pretty. But here it is. Okay. And then here's a bigger one. These have names like Bella Rose and Dominique and Ursula and things like that. I don't know which one is which, but these are really pretty. These were really cheap too. Isn't that pretty? And I got like, I think some of these 1 yard or some are 2. This one is gorgeous. This one has the little holes too. I've never seen any with the holes, like a wide lace like this with the holes in the middle. It's usually the skinnier ones that have the holes for if you want to, you know, thread some ribbon through there or something. Isn't that pretty though? Alright, and that's a cream color too. And here's one. This one's white. I was having a hard time finding out which side was which. Isn't that pretty? Could use this one as a doing flowers with it, because it's got these like little petal looking things. Alright, here's another white one. Now, this one is kind of weird. I didn't really realize that it was made like this. Okay, here's the front. It's basically almost all mesh, but then it's got all this in here on the sides. It almost looks like a riverbed. And in the middle, you could maybe string something. Not string it on in there, but, you know, put it on top. I thought that was pretty too. And here is a white kind of lace with a pink ribbon already in there. It's made like that. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. And I don't know if you can take that ribbon out or not. I think it's sewn in there. I think it's sewn in there. And then I got some of these, which I really thought these were white, but I don't know. Can cut these and use them, you know, on different, as embellishments on different projects. When you cut it off, you can like put some bling for the middles of these flowers, and it'll bling up your project. But this is a cream color too. I don't know why I got so many cream things. I don't really do cream. Here's another cream one. This one's really pretty too. Look at that. It's really pretty. And then she sent me a freebie. This one is a Simone lace, and it's like a tan color, which I am really not a tan person at all, but I could probably figure out something to do with it. It was nice of her to send something though. You can't say no to freebies, huh? Alright, and that was it. And I'll put the link down below so you, and it's what it is a video that she was doing, showing them and the prices on there instead of like a place to go buy them. But I'll put the link down below to the video. Now, I don't know how much, if anything, is left, but on some of the stuff, she had a pretty good amount of it. So there may be, you know, something there that you like. And just tell her what you want, and she'll let you know if, you know, if she has it or not. But that's it. So, thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you later. All right. Bye.